Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to get your popcorn seasonings to stick without using any butter. Normally you would have to drench your popcorn in a lot of fat and calorie-ridden butter, but now you can get all your favorite seasonings to stick without the extra calories or guilt. First I'm going to add a little bit of popcorn to a mixing bowl. So to get the seasonings to stick, you're going to want to put something wet in there. So for instance, I could use a little bit of lime juice. If I squeeze some fresh lime juice in there, my cheeses are going to stick and my spice is going to stick. But today, I think I'm actually going to use a spicy, cheesy one. So I'm going to use a little bit of Tabasco sauce to help moisten the popcorn. Okay, now I'm just going to stir that together so it's all moist, mixed together. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of my favorite white cheddar popcorn seasoning on there. Because I put a generous drizzle of Tabasco onto my popcorn, my white cheddar seasoning will stick. This is Mariko showing you how to get seasonings to stick to popcorn without butter. Enjoy.